Hello and welcome back, everyone, to our course on mastering Canva fundamentals. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about adjusting colors and tones in your designs. It's going to be a colorful journey, so let's get started. To adjust the color and tone settings, select your image, then click on Edit Photo and select Adjust. Under Adjust, you may choose from a variety of settings to improve your image's appearance. To start, you can select any area of the image you wish to modify, such as background, foreground, or the entire picture. For instance, I will select the background. The image background has been chosen. Firstly, you have the option to adjust the white balance of your image. Under white balance, you can change the temperature of your image's background and adjust the tint of your image background. Next is light. You can modify the light in your image. You can adjust the brightness and contrast of your image background. Next is highlight. You can highlight an image by increasing or decreasing its intensity, and you can adjust the shadow in the image. Then you have white light, which you can adjust. Next, you have black color. You can adjust the amount of black light in your image background. After that, let's move to the colors. Colors can be made more vibrant by raising their intensity or less vibrant by decreasing their intensity. You can also change the saturation of your image's color. The texture comes next. The image sharpness can be increased or decreased, and you can change the image clarity. Using this vignette, you can make the image corner darker or brighter. At the bottom, you'll find the Reset Adjustments tab. If you're not satisfied with your results, you can reset all the settings from here, so in order to get the best outcomes, you must experiment with these settings. Lastly, if you want an instant outcome with just one click, you can use the Auto Adjust option. You can also modify the intensity of this Auto Adjust color. The same setting can be used for your foreground or the entire image. If you choose to select the entire image, you'll unlock the fantastic color editing feature right here. This is an exceptionally cool feature. It automatically detects all the colors within the image, allowing you to easily change each color individually directly from here. And there you have it. By mastering the art of adjusting colors and tones in Canva, you'll be able to create visually stunning designs that capture the attention of your audience. So go ahead, experiment with different colors and tones, and unleash your creativity. Until next time, happy designing.